Hi, good evening. My name is Mira Ivan Lizardo, and I will explain the step-by-step process on how the customer create an order from our mobile app. So first, the customer needs to sign in their email. So they can sign in their Google or Facebook or their registered email and password. In my case, I have a Google account, so I choose Google account. And then select my account. Then the customer will direct in the homepage activity. Here, the customer needs to select the preferred flavor. So, I like hazelnut. So now, the customer will direct in the customization activity. In customization activity, they can customize their milk tea. So, they can customize their cup. So, 16 ounce, the add-ons, I choose nata, and the sugar level. Then select the quantity. Then proceed in payment by clicking the buy now. Now the customer are now in the payment activity. So to create an payment, the customer needs to pay using PayPal. So I choose PayPal. Then so after a successful payment, our mobile app generate an order code. To find the order code, the customer needs to select the purchase history from our bottom navigation. So select their order, and then this is the order code that generated by our app. So the generated order code must be input in our kiosk machine to process their order. So after the customer input their order, they need to confirm it. So if their order is correct, they need to click the confirm. Then their order will be processed by our machine. Now the add-ons is dispenser, and then it will followed by the ice dispenser. Now the cup will be placed in the cup sealer. And then it will seal by the cup sealer. And that will be the end of our process.
Test mo.